Hi everyone, this is Natraj. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about that reserve the static external IP address on Google Compute Engine using Terraform. So in this video, we'll cover the following topics. Let us see one by one. The first one is that understand and external and internal IP address of the VM. Whenever the new VM instance is created, we'll have at least one internal IP address associated to the VM. The internal IP address used for the internal communications. Whenever the VM instance is stopped, the internal IP address remaining attached to the VM. Comparatively, the external IP address used for the communication with the external world. Once the instance is stopped, we would no longer to see the external IP address. Again, you start the VM, it would be take 2 or 3 minutes to new external IP address is created and associated to the VM instance. Next one is that what is the use for static external IP address? So the static external IP address should not be changing even when the VM is stopped state. Next one is that the point to remember while working with the static external IP address. The first one is that it is billable even when VM is not used. Next one is that it can be assigned to any VM instance. Yes, you can, irrespective of instance types, you can able to assign that external reserved IP address. Next one is that you cannot have the two resources with the same IP external address. You cannot assigning that single IP address to the multiple instance at the same time. Next one that if you do not assigning the static address to the resource such as the VM and the charging rate is higher. So moving to the Visual Studio Code, we are at the Visual Studio Code. The entire code is available in my repository. You can clone from any time. In this video, it is a continuation of my previous video. I'll talk about that deeply on the Terraform code one by one. So in this video only I'm focusing on newly added part only I'm going to discuss. So first I'm going to click on that main.tf file. Yeah, this particular resource I newly added comparatively with my previous video. So Google Compute address, this particular resource going to create with the reserved external IP address, and the name and region variable I am getting the value from the variable sections. If you scroll down below, yeah, you can see the thing access configuration, the NAT underscore IP, I calling my external compute address, whichever I defined the above. Whatever the address is generated on, the same IP address I'm associated with this instance. So we'll moving to the terminal and execution the Terraform operations. So I'm going to click the 3 dot, terminal, new terminal. I'm skipping the Terraform init and the Terraform plant command and directly can executing the Terraform apply command. So you can see the thing, it asking the user input. Also the 6 resource going to add, 0 changes, 0 destroys. The plus mark is indicating as the new resource going to add. So I'm going to provide the input is yes. The instance is created as well as my external resource IP address. Yeah, the Terraform operation successfully created. I'm moving to the GCP console page. So I'm going to click the navigation menu. You can scroll down below VPC networks and I click the IP address. You can see here the external IP address is created successfully. Also this IP address is associated with my one of that VM. So that's it. I hope this video will be useful to everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.